Hello everyone. Today we have with us the Oneplus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition in the bold black color, and we are going to unbox it and check out how these earphones actually look. But right before we do that, let's just have a look at the box. So straight out you can see that they come in a red colored branding, which is the USP of Oneplus, and as we flip the box towards the back side, we can see some of the specifications are mentioned. It's got the bass boost feature, it's got a battery life of 17 hours, it is water and sweat resistant, it also has magnetic controls, it has clear and stable calls feature, and also that you can enjoy 10 hours of music with just 10 minutes of charge. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the unboxing. So firstly, we have the Bullets Wireless Z in the bold black color, and as promised by the company, they have the magnetic mechanism. And about the design, they've got a pretty clean finish. Moving forward, as you can see, we have got the Oneplus branding towards this side. On the other side, as you can see, we have got the volume rockers right here, and also a play pause button which can also be used to receive or decline the calls. And right beside it, we have microphone hole as well. And talking about the physical overview, it is quite bendy and flexible as well. So just in case you're in a hurry, all you've got to do is squish these earphones like that and pop them inside of your pocket. And when you take them out like that, you're ready to go. So right here we get a red colored box, and inside of it are accessories. Let's check out what all things do we have inside this box. So inside the box we get a red cable club card. You can scan this QR code to claim your benefits. Then we have the USB cable. This is a Type-C USB charging cable, and right here we have a Type-C charging port for charging purpose. So you can pop this USB Type-C and plug it in for charging. So we have two pairs of extra ear tips, and you can choose the one according to the fit of your ear. Last but not the least, we have a manual which is the user guide by the company Oneplus. That's all folks, this was all about the Oneplus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition in the bold black color. Thank you so much for watching the video.